10th, 12th mark sheet with passing certificate, birth certificate, and passport of candidate or sponsor. This is optional, but make sure if you have all this stuff, you just submit it in this email ID. So they have mentioned this mail ID. Yesterday, MCC released their schedule to round two schedule, counseling schedule, but they deleted it laterwards. Yes, so now that means they are extending their schedule again, and this is really frustrating. But there are some important news for NRI. So we know that this time seat allotment to the NRI candidates will be conducted based on the priority system. So priority 1 will be given to the NRI candidates and the children of NRI. So that means when their parents is out, but perhaps their children are here, and if the candidate itself is NRI, right? So they have in today's notice, they have defined who are actually NRI, because a lot of the fake cases were found in the counseling round 1. And priority 2, first degree, if this candidate who is basically taking advantage of this NRI quota seat. So in priority 2, so that means it will be given to the NRI ward. So first degree relative means their blood relationship, like their sisters, their brothers. Second degree relatives of NRI ward. So that means the their uncle, like mother side uncle, father side uncle, so kind of that, right? So that's the second degree relatives. So if you are taking this NRI quota, so today they have released this notice for you that you have to submit all your documents again. So yes, if you have already submitted it for the round 1, you have to submit them again. So what all documents you need to submit? So it's admit card, scorecard, proof of NRI, these documents, valid passport, visa, resident permit or work permit, overseas OCI or the PIO card if applicable. But if you are just using your this priority 2, the relative, this NRI thing. So NRI certificate issues by competent authority. Okay, this is also needed. And certificate of relationship between NRI relative. So if you're using that priority 2, and the candidate issued by the competent revenue authority through family tree. Affidavit notarized by the NRI relative stating that they will sponsor the entire course fee and living expenses of the candidates, right? So you need this affidavit. They have along with their all this stuff. So 10th and 12th, right? So they have given this you have to submit all this thing. 10th, 12th mark sheet with passing certificate, birth certificate, and passport of candidate or sponsor. This is optional, but make sure if you have all this stuff, you just submit it in this email ID. So they have mentioned this mail ID. From the 11 a.m. of 2nd September till the 11 a.m. of 4th September, all such candidates are advised to be in touch with this website www.mcc.nic.in for further course of action. Mails received before or after the stipulated time will not be considered. So you have to remember, candidates are advised to send all the documents on time. Candidates applying for the NRI status are required to furnish the documents in the format provided at Annexure 1. So you have to send, and all the documents that you submitted in the round 1 won't be considered. So you have to send them again for the round 2, right? Next is, this is the affidavit Annexure 1. So you have to share all this stuff in the email ID. You have to get it attested. This is the annexure, right? Next is like they have given what are the conditions to be considered as NRI. So they have given this revised guideline. Earlier it was the condition, but now they have revised it. What is the revised guideline? So these are the 2 points. Like if he or she in India for a period of 180 days or more during the previous year. So this is the first condition. Or if he or she in India for a period of 60 days or more during the previous year and 365 days or more during 4 years immediately preceding the previous year. So that means these 2 conditions will be will not, if these 2 conditions are not fulfilled, then only you will be considered NRI. So that means these people would be considered Indian resident only, right? So they cannot take the NRI quota under this NRI thing, right? So next is, like under the priority 1, if they are considering themselves NRI candidate, NRI, yes, candidate. And the other criteria on the basis of the finance, right? So individual who doesn't satisfy both the condition that we mentioned will be considered a non-resident NRI person. Next, they have given this financial thing over here, Finance Act 2020. So they were like that, above shall be substituted with 120 days. Okay, 60 days mentioned in 2 above would be substituted with 120 days. So this second point, so 60 days would be considered, 60 days would be this for 120 days shall be substituted with 120 days if an Indian citizen or a person of Indian origin whose total income other than the income from the foreign sources exceed 15 lakh during the previous year. So that means if they are earning in India more than 15 lakh rupees and also they are basically living for 120 days here, so that means they would be considered Indian citizen, not NRI. So if you are not satisfying this condition, only then you would be considered NRI. Finance Act 2020 has also introduced a new section 61A which is applicable from this. So total income excess of the 15 lakh other than the income from the foreign sources shall be deemed to be resident of India if he or she not liable to pay the tax in any. So if you are like suppose using somebody's like priority two thing, like your first relative, your second relative. So if they have this more than 15 lakh income in India and they're not paying taxes outside India, and they are basically, and yes, and then this is the income 15 lakh. So they are earning more than 15 lakh, which is high income in India and not like paying tax in any other countries. So they would be considered Indian, not the NRI, right? So these are the criteria they mentioned clearly who are the NRIs, or if they are not following these criteria, I mean like whatever we discuss. So this part, this point and other 2 points, if they are not satisfying these points, then only they would be considered NRI. So I hope this is clear. Stay connected with us for such more video, and perhaps this round 2 will start from the I don't know, like it will be basically extended. So let's wait for their notice and stay connected. And in case you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment box. Have a great day.